Alright, what's going on, guys? It is currently a nice and sunny Saturday morning, and what better way to start the weekend than to head up the mountains, right? So that's exactly what we're doing right now. It is honestly hella beautiful out here during the day. I don't come up here enough like this early, but it's a completely different vibe than when you come out here at the middle of the night, right? It's just like no one's scooting around and shit, and there's just so many people. There's like legit, I don't know, there's like a field trip going on or something because so many people. But yeah, can't really stick around here because there's too many people. But I'm probably gonna make my way somewhere a little bit more discreet. But I also need to use the restroom low-key, but there is not a single one around, so I'm gonna just like, you know, go somewhere over there or something. Man, it feels good to be back on the roads. I don't know if you guys can see as well, but there's like two big turbo like Subaru and Evo behind me. When I have the windows down, I just hear them making all sorts of turbo noises, and it's really cool. But as much as I want to like just full send it here, just want to really be careful because I saw so many people earlier today, and I'm pretty sure the state troopers are out, so we just gotta keep mindful of that. But hopefully that doesn't stop us from having a good time, because I'm planning to really enjoy the road today. Miata. I love it that people are taking their Miatas out to drive. That's where the cars belong. That felt so good. You definitely don't need high horsepower to have fun, I'll tell you that. Sharp hairpin incoming. I'm not even really like flooring it. I mean, you guys could see, but this is so much fun. And it sucks that I feel like in video you really don't get like the full sense of it, but this is really fun. I don't really know how else to describe it, but I don't think that Subaru and Mitsubishi's behind me anymore. Got the Evo behind me again. roads are so nice, and like this time of year, everything is just changing color and it's beautiful. We're starting to get some rain. I would love to come back here one day and drive like a RX-7 or something, like you know, I really wonder what it would be like. Obviously I don't think I've ever come to this road with a RX-7. I did come to the mountain one time with Peter's RX-7, but we were in a different spot. Really want to come back here with him. Would love to do some more driving like that. You guys got an RX-7 in the tri-state area, let me know. We gotta come back and drive together. Oh man, it's starting to rain though, so gotta definitely chill on the throttle here. What is that? Misshifted there. My glasses like keeps falling off. I'm gonna need to like get contacts for like driving.
Probably.
Alright guys, I just made some new friends. We got someone here with an Evo 9 and some sort of STI. Really big turbo. All you hear on the road on that thing is like the turbo whooshing if you don't have the windows rolled up like I did. It's kind of crazy. It's a lot of fun. And honestly, there's a lot of people here today. I see like some people, see some guys out there with a BRZ. And there's just OD Corvettes out today for some reason, but it was hella fun. Dude, you said you got, what, you got like 700 horsepower on this thing, or 600?
Yeah, it's 700. It's like 530 to the wheel.
Dang. How do you even drive this thing on like twisties like this? I'd be scared.
Yeah, dude. It's a little rough.
That thing. It's a little rough. What do you mean? Oh, it's hard to like. Yeah, I can imagine.
Responsible.
Shit. Yeah. Dang, dude. It looks like there's like another group over there. They got a really cool looking Mazda 3 over there. Dang, dude. I want a turbo in my car. Dude, the RX8 would go crazy with a turbo. I'm not gonna lie. That shit would be fast. Yeah, dang. I need some Recaros. Dang, yeah, this shit hugs you.
Yeah.
I'm sliding around sometimes in the corners.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh, you leather.
Yeah. Dang. Guys, I need some Recaro seats. I wonder if these fit in the RX8. I wonder if these like fit in the RX8.
Should look into it.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to look at it. It's nice. Dang. First time sitting in an Evo too.
I'm telling you, man. If you want to take it on a light little cruise, I'll hop in shotgun. I would love to if you would go, but
I'm too scared to do that, but you know, maybe next time.
I think you'd be surprised at how all-wheel drive can handle.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think.
And it's turboed, right?
It is. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm too scared right now.
No way.
Especially we just got a little bit of rain. No,
Okay,
maybe next time. Maybe
yeah,
next time.
next time for sure.
Yeah.
Hopefully, I have some stickier tires. And,
This car is sick though.
wider, stickier tires.
And no kidding though, the door is actually so much lighter than the RX8. I'm like, what the hell? Yeah, it's heavy.
Oh man.
Dang, and you were running E and that many gas in your trunk. You're really playing it dangerous. You guys hear that? I love it. I love that so many people's out here today.
Yeah.
It's great. Alright guys, you made it to the end of the video, and as always, if you made it to the very end of the video, really appreciate you guys for taking the time out of your day to watch the content all the way through to the very end. Honestly means the world to me, so thank you guys so much for that. And yeah, I know I'm also wearing like the same hoodie, but it's actually a different day now. But I'm really happy that I got to take the RX8 out though the other day. It was a lot of fun, and everything was perfect. Honestly, I could not have asked for a better day to go driving. Like the weather, the scenery, everything just lined up perfectly, and the car handled amazing. Like the coolant temp never went above 190 as well. Everything was just chef kiss. But yeah, the car felt amazing. I can't wait to do more of those drives, but unfortunately not sure how many more opportunities of drives like that in the remaining of this year, considering we're already in November or about to be in November. You know, once it starts snowing and stuff, we won't really have the opportunity to drive like that anymore. At least, oh, my cat wants to say hi, it looks like. So hey Mona. Oh, he's gonna show you guys his butt. I don't know if that's allowed on YouTube. But anyways, completely lost my train of thought there because I was interrupted by Mona, and yeah, completely forgot what I was talking about. But yeah, I just had a lot of fun, and I can't wait to drive like that some more. And I don't think I mentioned it in the video at all, but you know, the guys that I was driving with, the Subaru and the Mitsubishi, they're actually one of you guys. They're subscribers, and you know, that was a lot of fun. I haven't had the opportunity to really drive around with people like that in a minute, so that was a lot of fun for me, and I really enjoyed that. And thank you guys so much for coming all the way out, by the way. I know this was really out of the way for you guys, but I'm glad you guys came. I hope you guys had a good time as well. And if you guys who are watching this video and you guys are in the tri-state area and you guys are interested in potential, like, you know, meeting up for cars and coffee or something like that down the line, definitely follow me on Instagram, and or just join the Discord channel below, because that's probably where we're gonna make stuff like this happen. And yeah, probably not for the rest of this year though, unfortunately. Probably gonna have to be something towards the spring or summer of next year, just because I don't want to be responsible for you guys making your way out in case you guys are far away, you know, during the winter and stuff like that, because you know, it's just not a good time driving around in the snow and all that. So I don't want to be responsible if anything does happen, and that's why probably just gonna, if anything that I do this year, the rest of this winter, probably just gonna do by myself because of that reason. But anyways, rambled on for quite a bit there, and I know I've been talking about replacing my front bumper as well and the whole under tray situation. Well, Speaking of that, I actually did see like this really good deal pop up on eBay for a front end, like an OEM front bumper for the car. I'm considering pulling the trigger for it. It's only like $300 something, which is like really cheap. Granted, it's in a different color, so I will need to, you know, color match it, paint it, and all that, right? And I still need to buy an under tray and some random other bits and ends and bits. So I feel like I would end up being all in about 2K, which honestly isn't that bad, but I don't know. Still thinking about it though, so let me know your thoughts on it in the comment section below. Should I go OEM again? I don't know, because I would really want to do that feed style bumper still, and that would just look so cool. And I don't know, I don't know. Let me know you guys' thoughts on that in the comment section below. But yeah, and that's pretty much everything that's been going on. I think I'm ready to end the video here. So thank you guys so much again for watching the video all the way to the very end again. It really means the world to me. And until the next one, guys, remember to stay safe out there, because the world's a crazy place. So you got to do your part to stay safe, all right? Until the next one, guys. Peace.